You know, spring cleaning, why not clean up your eyebrows, right? Hi, beautiful people. I'm Carla. Welcome to my channel, Beauty with a Hammer. Now, today, I am going to be showing you how I tame these eyebrows. Yes, how I keep them looking nice and clean. And it's no surprise that our beauty salons are closed right now because of this craziness going on with COVID-19, the coronavirus. All right, so let's jump right in. Let's go. Right now. I don't go to the salon anymore. I have been like training for this quarantine for a long time. I've been trying to become as least dependent as I can on the beauty salon to try to do my beauty things. Also to save a penny, just being able to do it at home at my own convenience. And so I no longer go and get my eyebrows waxed. I stopped waxing my eyebrows probably about 5 years ago. My eyebrow game has improved so much since I stopped waxing my eyebrows. I do tweeze my eyebrows. I use 2 tools. And so today's tutorial, I'm going to show you that you will need a good pair of tweezers. Now, if you do notice, this is a very pointy tweezer. And so this is going to be great to get those really small, tiny hairs. The second thing you're going to need is a tool like this. Now, this is a little tool that I have been using, and it just helps me to clean up above my eyebrows when I am doing my eyebrows. And so I would recommend these 2 little tools here in your toolkit anytime to tame your brows. Now, I try my best to make these girls look like twins and not just like sisters, but sometimes one it's a little bit different than the other, okay? So what I like to do is go ahead, I apply my eyebrow pomade, because that is the shape that I am gonna go for. I'm gonna try to remove any stray hairs that are not inside of my makeup. Any hairs that are out of where I have placed my pomade, they gon' go. We're saying goodbye. Okay, so what I like to do is start on these hairs that are right here first. And so I'm gonna take my tweezer and begin to pluck all these little hairs that are here. And I love this. It's just, it is like so easy to grab each little individual hair and it just comes out with ease. Now, remember, anytime you're plucking your eyebrows, you always want to pluck in the direction that the hair is going, okay? This trick that I do, like putting your makeup on your eyebrows, like that just helps you. It's kind of like a stencil so that you don't over pluck. So I'm going to go ahead and repeat on this side. Okay, so once I've plucked all of the hairs that I can from the bottom of the eyebrows, I will go in here, and as you guys can see, my eyebrows are trying to become one, and so I gotta stop that. I just begin to pluck all these little hairs that I can from the center part here. And remember, we're plucking in the direction of the hair, and so here I am pulling up. I will typically pluck my eyebrows every 2 to 3 weeks. Everybody's different, and so everybody's hair, it does grow different. Some of you guys might be saying, this is not something that would work for me. I just have way too much hair. But for someone like me that I do have hair that grows outside of where I want it to on my eyebrows, but it's enough that I can tame it at home using these tools. Now, the next thing that I wanted to show you guys is how I pluck the ones on top of my eyebrows. So I take this little tool here, and it's got a little razor. Now, it's not super sharp. People use it to dermaplane the surface of their skin, get rid of like little peach fuzz on their face. Simply what you do is you hold it up against your head here, your face, and lightly begin to go up and down on the areas that you are wanting to get rid of hair. Very lightly. This is where you really need to make sure you have a steady hand. So you go like this, and I kind of just clean up all on the top. And then also here, sometimes I have a lot of hair that grows here. And I will clean that up. I even go in this little area here in the middle just to kind of make sure that I have all this cleaned up. Beautiful. Okay, guys. So then I will go back, and the hair that this little tool didn't get, I will go back and remove those with the tweezers. So there you have it. What do you guys think? I love it. It's super easy. In just a few minutes, I can clean them up and they look like I went to the salon and got a wax. Like literally, I am all cleaned up. As you guys can see, all of the little hairs that were showing up down here and in the middle and on the top, they are gone. I do post new videos for you guys every Thursday. And so keep coming back and visiting my channel. I love to have you guys back. While you're sitting there, go ahead and click one of these videos here. Yeah, click it right now. If you like this video, girl, you're gonna enjoy some of the other videos I got for you, okay? You need to know how to dye your hair. I got a video just about that. You need to know how to do your nails. This video over here is gonna show you how to do that. I just wanted to share with you guys, in this time when we're living in a time of fear, God promises us to never leave us or forsake us. And that applies especially in this time of a lot of uncertainty. And I just wanted to say, stay safe, take care of your family. All right, guys, till next time.